Dear children, today we can start our mathematics class. Last days we already discussed about the addition of rational numbers and their properties. Today we discuss about subtraction of rational numbers and their properties. In addition of rational numbers, we already studied about closure property of addition, associative property of addition, commutative property of addition, existence of identity, and inverse of rational numbers. Same properties are also continuing in the case of subtraction of rational numbers. Now we discuss about subtraction of rational numbers. Subtraction of rational numbers. Addition of rational numbers like subtraction of rational numbers having some properties. First property, closure property. Just we can note down the properties. If A by B and C by D are two rational numbers, then A by B minus C by D is also a rational number. Second property, commutative property. If A by B and C by D are two rational numbers, A by B minus C by D not equal to C by D minus. Third property, associative property. If A by B, C by D and E by F are three rational numbers, A by B minus C by D minus E by F in bracket not equal to A by B minus C by D in bracket minus E by F. Fourth property, existence of identity. That is, for a rational number, a by b minus 0 equal to a by b, but 0 minus a by b not equal to a by b. Last property, existence of inverse. Inverse of subtraction does not exist. Next we can start our exercise problems. Exercise 1b. Main question number 1. Evaluate. First one, 2 by 3 minus 4 by 5. That is equal to 3 and 5 having no common factor other than 1. So LCM of 3, 5 equal to their product. That is equal to 15. Next, convert each denominator into 15. So first rational number multiplied by 5 and the second rational number is multiplied by 3. That is equal to 10 by 15 minus 12 by 15. That is equal to 15 common denominator, 10 minus 12, that is equal to negative 2 by question number 3. Negative 1 minus 4 by 9. Here we can see that 1 having no common, no denominator. So, multiply both the numerator and the denominator of 1 by 9. Second rational number having no change. So, negative 9 by 9 minus 4 by 9. Here, common denominator 9, negative 9 minus 4. Negative 13 by 9. Question number 5. Negative 5 by 18 minus negative 2 by 8. Sorry, 2 by 9. 89 LCM you have to find out. By 2, 9, 9 by 3, 3, 3, 1, 1. LCM equals 2 into 3 into 3, that is equal to 18. First rational number having no change. 9 into 2, negative 2 into 2. That is equal to negative 5 by 18 minus 4 by 18. That is equal to common denominator 80, negative 5, negative of negative 4, negative 5 plus 4 by 18. That is equal to negative 1 by 18. Students, these are the homework questions for you. Second main question, subtract. First one, 5 by 8 from negative 3 by 8. That is, first we can write the meaning of the question. 3 by 8 minus 5 by 8. Then, same denominators, take the common denominator. Negative 3 minus 5. Numerator, two numbers having same sign, add and put the common sign. Negative 8 by 8. So our answer is negative 1. 8 cancel. So our negative 1. Question number 3. 4 by 9 from negative 5 by 9. First we can write the meaning. Negative 5 by 9 minus 4 by 9. Again, same denominators. Write the common denominators. Negative 5 numerator, negative 9, 9 by 9. Again we will get the answer as 2, 1, 2, 1, 1. LCM equals 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is equal to 16. First rational number having no change denominator. Second 8 into 2 16. So we multiplied 5 also by 2. That is equal to negative 13 by 16 minus negative 10 by 16. Common denominator 16. Numerator negative 13 minus negative 10. That is equal to negative 13 plus 10 by 16. Students, these are the questions for your main question number 3. Third main question, the sum of two rational numbers is 9 by 20. If one of them is 2 by 5, find the other number. So given data, first we can write sum of two rational numbers. Is equal to 9 by 20. One of the rational number is equal to 2 by LCM of 520 equal to 20. Convert each denominator into 20. First rational number no change. 5 into 4, 2 into 4. That is equal to 9 by 20 minus 8 by 20. common denominator 20. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1 by 20. Therefore, other rational number is equal to 1 by 20.
Students, I think you all have understood these properties of subtraction and do all homeworks and related problems by yourself every day. Thank you. See you in the next class.